society and is a competency building institute. It's just a couple of years old, but we already have phenomenal achievements to account for. Its students wear many hats as they are versatile, adaptable, and multi-talented, and someone who has rich and successful life and career. At AKSIME, innovative curriculum will challenge your thinking and introduce you to multiple business perspectives to build the foundation you need to be effective and techno-business manager and a leader. The AKSIME fraternity is highly committed to its mission in empowering operational excellence. Perfection is the name of the game at AKSIME campus. My faculty, staff, and students individually and collectively strive hard and live by our mission. I thank you very much for choosing AKSIME as an option to pursue your MBA career, and I encourage you to explore the opportunities that AKSIME has to provide. The faculty has been exceptionally bright and motivated person who have established record of independent, high-quality research and commitment to teaching and research. They are seasoned faculty who have risen to the level of assistant professors and have acquired regular positions in various departments, centers and schools.
Ours is a 2-year-old institution and we started our program about 2 years ago. We had held hands with SRCC throughout these 2 years. They have helped us out. We had a collaboration with them. They are the ones who developed curriculum for us. And we had guest lectures, we had guest faculty exchanges, and we had student collaborative projects with them. All 2 years, there was a certain benchmark which we set for ourselves, and I think our college children have actually benefited from that, and there have been a whole lot of collaborative projects with both the institutions. As we look forward, we already have a tie-up with IIT Delhi and IIM Kolkata. These kind of collaborations, these kind of tie-ups actually help our children benefit a lot. Not only our children, I would say our faculty. And it enriches our curriculum, it gives us enriched programs, it brings in so many latest management theories are integrated. It always helps. I would say it always helps.
A wonderful teaching methodology is complemented by a wonderful set of books which are being provided to us by AKS Institute of Management and Excellence. Once we are out of the class, we don't have anything else to guide like the faculty or something. All we have are these books. And these books are written by very famous and very renowned writers and authors. And they like, for HR we have Tesslers and we have Myers for finance management. These are so self-explanatory that once we are back home, we try to study something. It seems as not for a moment do we feel that there's something new I'm studying. It is something that it seems as if I'm experiencing all those studies and all those topics which I'm studying and which are related to me.
We at AKS Institute of Management Excellence have international standards of teaching. The bi-directional student-driven model is primarily built on case studies both at the domestic and the international level. We focus on cases and articles from the Harvard University, from ICMR, Times 100 and other varied sources. The bi-directional model that we discuss about helps us improve the zone of proximal development of the student and brings him to his potential capability development level. As also mentioned by John Dewey, it helps us improve the experiential learning and helps the student learn actually by doing, by experiences. It not only improves their behavioral aspect, but also helps them have strong technical fundamentals.
If we'll talk about the different opportunities of global exposure provided here at AKS Institute of Management Excellence, in order to be an effective leader in today's global scenario of education, the institute students must have the experience and knowledge about the international development as they affect the leadership and policies of higher education. So here at AKS Institute of Management Excellence, you will get a good exposure of international industrial tool, in which you will come to know about the different business culture of different countries.
As we are teaching in a new environment, it's a challenge today than ever before to teach theoretical subjects like organizational behavior and human resource management interestingly and successfully. with the aim to make learners good managers who can diagnose and solve various types of organizational problems. I teach them with the help of movie clippings, video clippings, role plays, case studies, and various types of activities involving them. I have introduced an innovative approach towards learning by teaching them through various Hollywood and Bollywood movie clippings. It makes learning relevant, interesting, and useful.
Teaching at AKS IME is not a one-to-one approach. Here, teaching methodology involves various case studies, simulations, role plays, and many more things. There are lectures from distinguished speakers from academia and industry. A strong emphasis is laid on developing analytical capability of every student through participation and presentation of diverse cases. Students with different backgrounds, qualifications, and learning styles are encouraged to bring in their experiences and perspective as key learning. We also have a setup known as SES, that is Skill Enhancement Sessions. It's a formal group of students with an objective of discovering their strengths and weaknesses and simultaneously chalking out the solutions for the same. Teamwork and peer learning is main focus of area at AKS IME. This enables us to enhance our interpersonal skills and group dynamics, which is an extremely essential requirement for the later part of our lives.
Managing is a social process. Managers' working life is a never-ending series of contacts with others. They must talk and listen, must make phone calls, call for meetings, negotiate, persuade, and argue. They also need to require to craft and communicate proposals, positions, and presentations in a way that is convincing, logical, and persuasive. In short, communication is a lifeline of managers. Hence, at AKS Institute of Management Excellence, we conduct continuous communication programs such as case study competitions, presentations, eye on the world, and group discussions that help our students to have a compelling point of view, to present their positions persuasively, and to take up their positions in a way that is convincing to others.
After the first semester course, the MBA at AKS Institute of Management Excellence is a highly customized program. At AKS Institute of Management Excellence, you will directly control and shape your experience. Everything that gets done here is a result of a student having some involvement in it. Likewise, I was given an opportunity to start my first job just after third semester itself. So, if you want to change it and do something with your life, this is the best place to do it.
Faced with the changing business environment, the future managers are required to gather information from newspapers, magazines, journals, reference books, and internet. In order to facilitate the same, we have a Wi-Fi enabled campus, and our college library is a POHA enabled digital library. It has a subscription to the world's best business magazines like The Economist, The Human Factor.
AKS Institute of Management Excellence is dedicated to students' aspiration for excellence in management education. The function of education is not just intelligent thinking, but also critical thinking. Therefore, we equip our students with the necessary and the relevant skills for research to excel in research. We ensure that our student development program, thus putting them onto a good career path, a bright career path. Throughout your 2 years, a student is exposed to a variety of seminars, conferences, industry visits, industry lectures, and a rigorous 2-month internship program. Thus, this ensures your complete corporate revelation.